Hey guys, so I am going live because tomorrow is a very significant day. We are launching our Maazi Agu plush, and actually, I'm gonna edit this real quick, but we are launching our Maazi Agu plush doll um, tomorrow, and I wanted to come on and answer questions and give you guys an opportunity to ask me any question that you want to ask me about the Kickstarter launch, so that you can participate because I really want you guys to get your hands on this. It's part of our effort to, um, you know, continue the work we're doing with Umotadi Uta, making quality Igbo cartoons, um, so that for children and families to love. Um, so please share this live stream with friends and family and in your group chats or wherever you want to, wherever you guys congregate, and let's have this conversation. The If you can see right here, this is roughly what the Maazi Agu plush will look like. There are some things that you will find out when the launch of the doll commences, and we'll talk about that more throughout the course of the 60 days that the Kickstarter will be live. So yeah, you definitely want to get on this thing quickly because in the first few days we're going to have a special early bird discount for one of the for the plush that you can potentially participate in. So you want to get in on this early. Um, Let me see about getting on TikTok right now. And oh, sorry, TikTok is TikTok is crazy. It just starts talking when you try to open it. So I'm gonna get on TikTok also just to, you know, um, go live there. Hold on. I'm really bad at TikTok, guys. Let me uh, see something real quick. Um, um, yeah, ask me your questions, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about the Kickstarter launch. While I get started on TikTok, if you leave your questions and comments, if you leave your questions, um, and comments in the comments, I will see them and I will respond. Give me 1 second. Let me just figure out this live. I think it's gonna go live. Okay, so we are live. Um, on TikTok. So yeah, so yeah, the real main thing about this live is just that we are going to be launching this Maazi Agu plush doll. I wish I knew how to put the plush in the um, in the TikTok so that people could see it. But we're going to be launching this Maazi Agu plush doll on Kickstarter tomorrow, and I'm coming live just so that I can announce to you guys, and also for you to ask me your questions about Motadiuta and about the doll, about the plush doll that we are launching live on Kickstarter tomorrow. So if you have any questions, that you would like to ask about the plush doll or about Motadi doll, please let me know. Let's discuss. Let's talk about the plush doll, about Motadi doll, about the cartoons, about the Igbo cartoons, about about the Igbo cartoons, about the plush doll, about the songs, thoughts, stories. Let's chat. Let's chat, guys. Let's chat. Hi, guys. Hi, Emmanuel. Hi, OG Showcase. Hi, Oma. Hi, Onyema. Um, we're basically doing a live about the Kickstarter we're having tomorrow with the plush doll, the Maazi Agu plush doll. So if anybody has any questions, leave a comment. I will be sure to respond so that we can talk about the plush launch tomorrow. Maazi Agu is launching a doll tomorrow, and I definitely want to be able to talk about it. I got to figure out how to put the doll on this. Um, let's see. Oh, I think I can do it with this. Let's do this. Add, allow. Let me see if I can find the plush. Do I have it on here? All right. Let me let me do something. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay. Um, let's see. Photos. Uh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, my live ended on TikTok. Dang, I'm terrible at this. Okay. Okay. Background. All right, so this is the doll that we're trying to promote right now. Maazi Agu. I don't know if there's a way to make me small so that. Hold on, let me see if I can make myself smaller. Nope, I can't. um, yeah, I'm just gonna have to go with that. Yeah, so we're trying to promote the Maazi Agu doll, and just ask your questions. This is just a Q&A, open Q&A. Anybody can ask questions, and somebody wants to co-host. No, I don't know how to do. I don't know. That's weird. No, I don't want to exit. What do you do? I'm really bad at TikTok, y'all. Um, I'll close that. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we're promoting the Maazi Agu plush doll on this live, and I am trying to answer questions that you may have about the doll, or about the songs that we do on social, on Mutadiuta, the videos, the songs, the cartoons, and also this doll that we are promoting in Dubai because Joma Jujugi, um, Joma Jujunu. So any questions that you may have about the Kickstarter that we're doing with this launch of this doll, which is happening tomorrow. We're launching the doll tomorrow. Um, Please ask me your questions. Um, and yeah, ask me your questions. Let me know what your questions are, what questions you have about the doll. Hi, guys. Hi, AB Cash. Hi, Ella Baby. Hi, Lolo Ibele. Hi, Godwin. Hi, Dynasty. So, any questions you may have about the Umutadiota doll, or the songs that we do, or the cartoons, please send your questions now. Um, I won't do a co host, but I can definitely. Is that the same thing as having somebody come on and talk on live? Let me see. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. So any questions? Anybody have any questions about the doll, or about? I'm also streaming to Facebook, YouTube, and X. So I'm sorry, whoever keeps asking me to co-host, I don't know how to do that. So just hop with that one for now. Um, Anybody who has any questions about YouTube, about who's on, I'm also streaming to YouTube, X, and Facebook. You can join me there as well. Anybody who has any questions about the doll that we're launching tomorrow on Kickstarter, or questions of any kind, I'm welcoming questions right now. Please ask me your questions about the doll, the launch of the doll, or the Umutadi Uto, the work we're doing with Umutadi Uto. I'm welcoming your questions now. I'll give you about 5 minutes to ask a question. If nobody asks any questions, I'll just log off, because there's no point in me just having a conversation with myself. Um, um, you know, so if anybody has any questions about Umutadi Uto, about the doll we're launching, the Maazi Agu doll that we're launching tomorrow, or about the songs we do, the stories we do, the cartoons we make, please leave your questions. Please ask me your questions. This is the time to ask questions. I'm gonna give you guys about 5 minutes to drop a question, and if I don't see any questions, I'll just log off. I don't really do lives. I'm not really a fan of, like, I'm not that I'm not a fan. I join lives. I watch other people's lives, but I don't really spend a lot of time on live anymore. It's just not like I'm not 100% comfortable doing lives. Um, but if anybody has any questions about the Facebook, the doll we're launching, um, let's see if there's any comments. Um, okay, so if anybody has any questions about the doll that we're launching tomorrow, okay, I'm gonna accept your co-host request, Ways, but if I just want to see how it goes. Let's see. Hello, I'm fine. How are you? You said what? Where am I from? I'm Igbo. I can't hear you for some reason. Your audio is weird. Your audio is very quiet. I'm literally reading your lips. No, I'm not hearing you. Let me see something. Okay, now say something. I know I heard you say where are you from the first time. I mean, but I'm not hearing you. You said what? I'm from Imo State. Oh, you're also from Imo State? I can't hear you anymore. Like your audio is so bad, yo. Imo State. What part of Imo State are you from? You said what? Ikeduru. Okay, I'm from Obo. Yes. Where am I now? I'm in the United States. I'm in Washington D.C. Huh? Oh, you're in UK. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I can't hear you guys. Like I might have to take you down because I can't hear you. Huh? Your audio is not coming through. I can't hear you. Oh, follow you? Yeah, everybody follow him. Follow this guy. Follow Ways. I think I already follow you. Yeah. Thank you, Emerald Prize. I see you said that you love our content. Thank you so much. We really try to make sure that this is something that people will love. So thank you, Emerald Prize. Let me see if there's any other comments coming through. We're talking about today. We're talking about the Maazi Agu doll that you can see here that we're going to be launching tomorrow. We're launching it tomorrow on Kickstarter. So if anybody wants to, I want to answer questions that people might have about the doll or about the show, the cartoon that we do, things like that. So if anybody it has any questions, now is the time to ask. Ask your questions about Mota Diota, about Maazi Agu, about the doll that we're launching tomorrow. This is the time to ask those questions. Yes, Maazi Agu. What does Maazi Agu represent? He represents Igbo culture. I don't. Yes, yes. Igbo culture is important. Is a very, very beautiful culture. It's a very beautiful tradition. Huh? Yes, Igbo culture is very important to me. We came up with Maazi Agu just as an idea for children. We wanted to build something that children can use to learn about Igbo language and culture and the stories and folk tales of Igbo culture. So that's why we built Umotadi Thought, we built Maazi Agu, and all these things. So now we have these cartoons, we have songs, we have folk tales that are in Igbo language.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I didn't get a question, please. Stop.
Okay, I'm done with TikTok. I'm actually done with live period because I said I would do this for 5 minutes. Unless I get if I don't get questions, I'll sign off. So this is me signing off because people don't have questions. All right, thanks everybody. Thanks for anyone who might have accidentally watched it for 2 seconds because I don't really see anybody watching. Um, yeah, hope I see people at the Kickstarter tomorrow. Bye.